iPhone discounts for everyone, as long as you're in China meeting certain terms and conditions. Coming up here in the Jog. Hi folks, Alex Klingelhoeffer here with Exencial Wealth Advisors. It is 8:41 here in the middle part of the country on Monday. It is July 25th, 2022. Here's your morning jog around the economic headlines of the world. I want to start off with a couple of pieces of news out of China. Kind of sort of been silent over the last couple of weeks in terms of policy, right? We're looking at perhaps an end of zero COVID there, looking at the economic harm that Chinese policy has had on their economy this year. On a go-forward basis, what are they going to do about it? Well, first of all, came out with a nice new initiative today, a real estate fund, right? Sort of a bailout for bad debt in China. Of course, Chinese property has been really going from crisis to crisis over the last number of years. It's a $44 billion fund sponsored by the People's Bank of China. It's going to buy up what you'd have to think is pretty bad loans and just allow them to sort of fizzle away. Is China going to save its property industry? It really doesn't have another option. It needs some growth to dig itself out of the massive debt hole. Apple offering discounts. How about that? Only in China. You've got to use what a couple of these sources to pay. I think Ant Pay is one of them, Alipay, a couple of other of them. But it's $89 off a new iPhone. Of course, Apple almost never discounts its products. Its high margins are one of the reasons why it has become the most valuable company in the world. Is Apple going to need to continue to discount to get rid of iPhone 13s? Hopefully, when the iPhone 14 comes out, we get a super new feature that folks just have to have. Slowing sales is always an issue if you are the top dog. Last but not least, before we get you off to a nice Monday, kind of a cool little story. The NFL is coming out with a $5 a month subscription service. It's just going to be mobile. All you get is your local games and the national games. So, right, you get, looks like Sunday Night Football on NBC, right? You'll get that with the package. You'll get your local games, right? All on your phone, on a tablet, $5 a month. If you like the NFL, you like your local team, hey, maybe I'll watch it while I'm gardening, something like that. Could be an attractive offer. It comes into sort of a very difficult landscape. Ultimately, the NFL is in kind of a pickle, right? They have these huge rights that they can sell, but if they were to keep it and just kind of sell it individually, who knows? They could make so much more money just selling their service individually. Of course, if you look at some of their peers, right? NFL, you do need like Sunday ticket, unless you're a college student to buy it. It's still $500 a month, $500 a year, something like that. If you look at, MLB, that sort of thing, it's much more reasonably priced, $150, something like that. And you get to watch all the out of market stuff. So NFL, really, their right strategy is their next avenue, really renegotiating that to make more millions of dollars for players that sacrifice, their brains for our entertainment. If you want some additional info throughout the rest of the week, feel free to find me on the internet. I am out there. Till then, hope you and your family have a really good rest of your Monday. I am out.